Hey fellow dirt roaders, this is Rick with Dirt Road Bushcraft, and today I'm out just walking old roads and just enjoying my time out here in the woods with my dogs. And so I thought I'd make this video on my fire starter kit. And while I was walking this dirt road, I noticed there's some fat wood up here, and I'll show you where it is and how to identify it, locate it, and use it. So let's get started. Right here in this rotted stump. When I'm up here in the woods, I look around to the type of trees that are around here, and up here is Doug fir. Doug fir is a wood that produces a lot of resin, a lot of sap, and so when the tree dies, the resin settles down the base of the tree, and it kind of comes down in columns, and so these columns, they'll get resin impregnated and they become hard. And this chunk right here, this is hard. The rest of the stuff just crumbles away. This stuff, it's solid. And so when you can come in, if you can't break the piece off, you can shear or just start shaving some of it off. And you'll know for sure if you have it, fat wood, just by the smell. It smells very resiny, almost turpentine-like, and I call it man cologne. And so you collect some of these shavings for your fire starting. If you can't get the whole chunk off of out of the stump, you at least get shavings out of it. And these shavings, you could see the resins in it. You can see underneath the gray, it's a hard, this one's a yellowish color. Some of them look like bacon. That's plenty enough to try out. This little piece right here is probably, I don't know, it's kind of too crumbly for it to, and it's kind of still solid inside. Let's see. Yeah, it still smells, has a little bit of the aroma to it, a little bit of the scent. Yeah, that's enough to try out. That is one busy anthill. I don't know if my camera can show it, but that thing is crawling with ants. Lexi, you don't want to be on that. Neither do you, Riot. Oh, them ants are angry now. Okay, well, I'll show you my fire kit now. So I put together a pouch like this, and I keep one in each one of my rigs and in each one of my packs. So what I have in here What I have in here, here's that fat wood I harvested up. I have a ferro rod with a striker. This is for throwing out hot sparks. I have it's a Bic lighter, and what I have is, it's called bank line. This is, I can hang it around my neck. I've got Gorilla Tape on here, and then I have enough bank line that I can use it for tying stuff up. This is, you know, just like a toolkit that I have here. And then in here I have, this is jute line that's impregnated with beeswax, and it extends the flame that will come off of the lighter, so I can light that jute line and then it burns like a candle. I can take and cut sections. I can, you know, pull some of the jute line out, cut it, and use it to help start a campfire, because it does have, you know, extend the flame. I can use a Gorilla Tape as fire starter. It does burn. You know, you peel it off, shred it up, and you can use it as fire starter as well. I have, this is something I bought from off of Amazon. It's some jute line, has an aluminum tube on it, so you can take this jute line and you can fluff this end out really good, get it all nice and fluff, and then you can take a ferro rod and it will light that jute line, and you pull the tube up and it puts it out. The other thing I have in here is a tin with some char material in here. This char material is some old Levi's. They work really good for char material, and that is so I can use it with the flint and steel. There's my flint. I can put the char material on here. Get a spark on it. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't work the way you want it to. See, I'm not going to give up though. Never give up on your fires. Thing about Oregon, we don't have really good flint here. I got my char cloth going. That ember can start a fire if you put together a good material nest, you know, of dried material and stuff. I don't want to start any fires right now. And the other thing I have in here is a magnifying glass. You know, everybody knows how a magnifying glass works. So I have a magnifying glass in here. And then as far as the fat wood goes now, let's take a little piece of this stuff. Yeah, that stuff burns. It burns. And that's your natural fire starter that's out here in the woods. And that's my fire making kit that I have, that I keep one in each one of my rigs and each one of my backpacks. It burns, that fat wood burns a long time, so it extends your flame, makes it easier to start fires. This fat wood will even burn when it's wet. You can take and dunk this thing in water, and then it will still light. So that's my fire making kit. Hope it was informative for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or 2 thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe. Any comments, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you.